Hello, everyone. Welcome back to another exciting episode of English with Altaf. Today's video is all about how artificial intelligence, yes, AI can help you become better in English and improve your overall skills.
Yes, thank you for joining us. In this video, we'll show you how AI tools can help you speak better English, correct your grammar, build your confidence, and become fluent faster than ever before.
Let's begin with a simple question. Have you ever felt stuck while learning English? Like, you know the words, but you just don't know how to use them properly? Well, AI can be your personal guide. It's like having a tutor who is available 24/7.
Exactly. For example, many students use AI-powered apps like ChatGPT, Grammarly, and language learning platforms such as Duolingo or Elsa Speak. These tools don't just correct your mistakes, they explain them. You can ask them, "Why is this wrong?" and get an instant answer.
One thing I personally love about AI tools is that they don't judge. You can make as many mistakes as you want, and the AI won't laugh at you or get annoyed. It just keeps helping you. Isn't that amazing?
It really is. And not only that, AI can help you practice your pronunciation. You can read out loud, and some tools will tell you if your accent is off or if you're stressing the wrong syllable. These details make a huge difference in how confident you sound.
Let's talk about grammar for a second. We know that grammar is a common problem for English learners. With AI, you can write a sentence like, "She go to market yesterday," and it will correct it to, "She went to the market yesterday," and even tell you why it changed the sentence.
Yes, and this kind of instant feedback is so powerful. You don't have to wait for a teacher. You don't have to search on Google. You just get your answer immediately. That saves time and builds your skills faster.
AI can also help with vocabulary. If you use tools like ChatGPT or any AI chatbot, you can ask, "Can you give me 10 words for describing emotions?" And instantly you'll have a useful list. Happy, excited, nervous, frustrated, confused, and examples for each.
Another feature that's very helpful is translation and context. If you don't understand a word, you can just ask the AI, "What does hesitate mean?" And it will not only translate it, but also give you examples, synonyms, and how to use it in real life.
Let's not forget listening and speaking practice. There are AI platforms where you can speak with a virtual assistant and it replies to you like a real conversation. The more you talk, the more confident you become.
That's right. It's like practicing English with a friend. And the best part? You don't need to feel shy. If you're afraid of talking to native speakers at first, AI is the perfect place to start.
Some learners also use AI to improve their writing. You can write a short story or a paragraph, and the AI will correct it, polish it, and even suggest better vocabulary and sentence structure.
Yes, and for more advanced learners, you can even ask AI to help you write essays, business emails, or prepare for job interviews. It can give you sample answers, correct your tone, and make your writing sound professional.
Let's talk about confidence for a moment. Many people give up learning English because they don't feel confident. AI can help here too. When you use AI tools daily, your fluency grows, and when you see progress, your confidence improves naturally.
That's the beauty of AI. It works with you at your pace. Whether you are a beginner or intermediate learner, AI adjusts to your level. It doesn't rush you. It supports you, corrects you, and motivates you.
Another important thing is consistency. AI tools can send you reminders to practice daily. Even if you practice 10 minutes a day, that's enough to create a good habit. Learning English doesn't have to be hard, it just has to be regular.
Exactly. And don't forget, AI never gets tired. You can practice anytime, morning, afternoon, midnight. AI is always there. It's like having a personal English coach in your pocket.
Now, some of you might wonder, is it okay to rely on AI so much? The answer is yes, but with balance. Use AI as a helper, but also challenge yourself to think and speak on your own too. AI is a guide, not a replacement for real practice.
Yes, I agree. Use AI to correct you, guide you, and give you confidence. But also try speaking with real people, reading real books, and writing your own sentences. AI is part of your journey, not the whole journey.
So, to summarize what we've learned today, AI can help you improve your English in many ways. It corrects your grammar, teaches vocabulary, improves pronunciation, boosts your confidence, and helps you stay consistent.
We've also seen how AI tools like ChatGPT, Grammarly, Duolingo, and many others can be used daily to make real progress. They are friendly, fast, and always ready to help you get better.
We hope you'll give these tools a try and see the difference for yourself. Keep practicing, keep learning, and don't be afraid to make mistakes. Because with AI by your side, you are never alone in your learning journey.
Thank you so much for watching today's episode of English with Altaf. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more easy and practical tips. See you in the next video.
Take care and keep learning. Bye for now.